Get started with our question number 49 on Leetcode, which is group anagrams. First of all, let us understand what is an anagram. An anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different word or a phrase. Let us take the example of these three words: ate, eat, and tea. All these three words has same amount of characters, that is of length 3, and same characters A, T, E. If you have a different combination of them, then you can create three different words. That is an anagram. Our job is to group those anagrams together. For example, 8, T and eat, net and tan, and bat. In order to solve this problem, we have to understand that we need some form of common indicator that these three words belong to the same group. And in order to do that, what we can do is we can just sort the strings. So if you sort ate, you get aet, same for eat and same for tea. So for example, aet will correspond to 8, eat, and t. A and t will correspond to nat and tan, and abt will correspond to bat. So this will be nothing but our hash. In order to compute this hash, we just have to sort the string. So let us just define a method called as hash private string hash string str character array ch equal to string dot to char array arrays dot sort ch and return new string ch. So this will return a hash which will be a sorted string. And let us now insert this thing inside a map. So we'll create a map of string and list of string, and let us name it as map. And for every string that exists in our input, we can first get the hash of the string, then just get the list if any list exists, like this. So get or default hash and new array list dot add str. Don't add hash in the list. Hash will be our key. You can say map dot put hash and list, and you can say return new array list. As we have to return list of list, we can get this map dot values like this. So this is all you need to do. Right, now let us see if this works or not. All right, so this worked. The time complexity for this one would be O of n k log k, where n is number of strings and k is length of, or you can say max length of a string. So sorting will take k log k time for n number of input, and space complexity would be O of nk, where n is number of string and k is length of the string. So now we solve this problem using hash, which will be by sorting the input string. There is another way to solve this problem, and that will be using creating a frequency of characters in an array. So let us see how to solve using that approach, and we will just use the same method for group anagrams, but we will just change the hash method. So let us take a look at that. Hash method would be to create a frequency array. So let us do that. Let's say you have an int array of 26, The reason behind creating this 26 length array would be our str of I consists only of lowercase English letters, so it is just 26 characters, so we are just worried about that. Now let us take every character and put it in array. What we are supposed to do is we are just supposed to count the frequency, and we will say arrays dot toString array, and that's it. So this will just count the frequency of it. Now the time and space complexity will be same, which will be O of nk for this approach, and this will be O of 26, so we really don't need to worry about that. So that's it on this second approach. Let us do one small enhancement, and do this only if you know. So this particular 6-7 lines of code can be written down in really small way, and in order to do that, what you can do is you can write code like this: return new array list, and over here you can say arrays dot stream strs dot collect, and we will use collectors called as grouping by, and you can group this thing by this hash method. This will return map. This returns stream of string, and this returns map of string and list of string. This returns list of string. Oh, sorry. All right. So this is a good solution, but be careful while using grouping by, because it may cause some issues. Streams are not that comfortable to use without an IDE. Sometimes you may run into issues, so be careful with that. Thank you.